Hey everybody, so I'm going to be showing you how I do my cloth diaper laundry. I have a top loader. If you have a front loader, I recommend getting these like jacks type agitators. They're just laundry agitators. It's going to help get your clothes clean. I use them anyways even though I have a top loader. Agitation is key to getting your diapers clean, but anyways, I'm going to show you what I use. I have all my diapers and clothes and everything in there already. I don't recommend using any blankets or towels. They're too big, it'll mess up getting everything clean. They can get like wrapped up in there and stuff. This is the detergent I use. Powder detergent is best for me. The Tide powder, it has some ingredients in there that help combat my hard water. As long as you have hard water under 100 or less like me, you just need powder. You don't need a water softener. So I recommend avoiding water softeners if you can. So I'm just starting with a pre-wash, and I do use soap and pre-wash. I do it to about line 2 if you're using a powder. You can use all free and clear powder, just watch detergent build up with that one. You can no longer use Purex, so don't use that. It has an ingredient in there now. It's a new ingredient they added. It's no longer cloth safe, so I would recommend using Tide though. So I have it to about line 2 here, and I just put that, you can put it directly in, or you can put it in your powder section if you have a powder section. And then whenever I do that, I'm going to show you guys my settings that I use. So here is my settings. I would turn it on and I would bring it to the quick wash or express wash if that's what you have. And then I would use the hottest water. If you have extra hot, I would just use hot. 1 rinse is all you need. Don't use any more. Highest spin speed, and then the heaviest soil. And that's what mine would come to. If you have a front loader and you have the option for extra water, I would recommend doing that, because those tend to not use as much water as you need. But that is the setting for the express wash.